Think you need thousands to start investing? Wrong! You can start with just 500 rupees. And if you do it right, that 500 rupees can grow into lakhs over time. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to start investing in India as a beginner, step by step. Most people wait until they have enough money to invest. Big mistake. Even 500 rupees a month, when invested wisely, can turn into 20 to 30 lakh over 30 years, thanks to compounding. The earlier you start, the easier wealth building becomes. Alright, so where should you put your 500 rupees? Here are the best beginner-friendly options. 1. Mutual funds via SIP or systematic investment plan. Apps like Zerodha, Groww, or Coin let you start SIPs with 100 to 500 rupees. Look for index funds like Nifty 50 or equity mutual funds for long-term growth. For example, 500 rupees a month in a 12% return fund can grow to 50 lakh in 35 years. 2. Stocks, buying fractional shares. You don't need 50,000 rupees to buy stocks. Platforms like Zerodha and Upstox allow investing with small amounts. Start with blue-chip stocks like TCS, HDFC, or Infosys that offer steady growth. 3. Gold investment via digital gold or sovereign gold bonds, also known as SGBs. Instead of buying physical gold, invest in digital gold via Paytm, PhonePe, or SGBs with just 500 rupees. Gold has historically beaten inflation and is a great long-term hedge. 4. Fixed deposits or recurring deposits for safe returns. Not the highest returns, but great for risk-free growth with guaranteed interest. Now here's how you can start investing today, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Open a Demat account. You can choose platforms like Zerodha, Upstox, or Groww. It just takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Pick one investment option. You could go for a mutual fund, SIP, stocks, or even digital gold. Step 3. Set up an auto-debit for 500 rupees per month and let compounding work its magic for you. Some common mistakes to avoid. Waiting for the right time? Start now. Putting all your money in one asset, diversify, expecting overnight profits. Wealth takes time.